when someone specifically asks me that what do you like about your college, my sole answer would be the infrastructure. The infrastructure at NMIMS is hands down impressive. My college has multiple training kitchens such as the BTK, that's the basic training kitchen, and the quantity kitchen. Apart from that, we have a well-equipped bakery. We're also equipped with training restaurants, front office labs with computers, and a specific PMS system to make the students understand how exactly a hotel runs with its reservations and other front office procedures. Apart from that, we are also equipped with a housekeeping lab and an actual guest room to make the students perform certain housekeeping chores in order to give them a practical approach about things that go on and function in a hotel. Apart from that, if we talk about a campus as a whole, we have different common rooms for girls and boys where they sit, they chit chat, they come up with new ideas and turn them into realities. We have a gymnasium room, we have common rooms where we have sports equipments kept, we have a game room including a foosball table, carom board, table tennis table, etc. Our culinary faculty, Mr. Bimal Kumarika, had organized a tandoor session for the students of the second year, where not only were we trained to prepare the mise à plat, that is the preparation for a certain dish, but we were also taught how to operate the tandoor, how to make different kinds of dishes, and how to serve them basically. Not just that, but we were also allowed to relish the delicacies that were made by a professional chef that sir had called in order to impart his knowledge for us. What specifically I love about our college faculties and the resources that we have over here is that we're allowed to optimally use them to the very extent. For example, we were given a certain assignment that we had to use the training restaurant that we have. We had to convert the entire restaurant as a theme restaurant according to us. So we were allowed to use the kitchen, make our own recipes and serve different batch students and the faculties as if it was a real restaurant. So you see how our college is allowing us, how our college is giving us an opportunity to not only learn but also express or practice what we have learned. Of course, there are classrooms, of course, you get a certain textbook knowledge from this course, but what is more important is that how you're practically being able to impart it, how you're being able to execute it. And I feel that the class apart infrastructure that our college has is helping or facilitating this specific parameter to its very best.